Hey there everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you all about Coffee Postal Express, our mobile cafe version, and how it can lower your risk in starting a cafe business. Are you one of those dreaming to start their own cafe someday? Pero number one, wala ka pang enough money for capital. And number two, you don't have yet any location. I truly understand because most that come to me inquire about Coffee Postal franchise, no, they believe in our coffee business concept, in our products, in our business model, but then they don't have yet enough capital for the franchise. And another also is, aside from the franchise, you still have to spend on renovation, rental deposits, buying equipment, etc., etc. And also location, ito yung pinakamahirap talaga. And if ever they find a vacant space, low foot traffic naman. So I don't approve their location because for me, in my 8 years of experience in the coffee business, location is king. If your cafe is not in a good location, overhead will slowly kill your business. And ultimately, your passion towards coffee and your coffee business. And we don't want that to happen. That is why after listening to my clients, to my students, all about their problems with budget and location, we created the Coffee Postal Express, the mobile cafe version. Number one, you don't need high renovation cost. Upon turnover, your mobile cafe already is ready to operate. So it already has cabinets, sinks, lights, it's ready to rock and roll. Second is location and operational flexibility. Since mobile siya, you can go from one location to another, one event to another, and get 100% control on when and where you want to operate your business. In this way, you skip the expensive rental deposits, and also you can start your mobile cafe business while you're still having your full-time job. And third, alam mo ba, with Coffee Postal Express, you just don't get a mobile cafe. It's complete with systems and proven profitable recipes. We have high margin and we have back-end support, and in fact, we have a cloud-based recording system. So it's not just you checking in your business, but also me. So you just don't get a business, but you also get a business mentor. Plus, you have flexibility on food. Yes, our Coffee Postal partners can sell any food within their Coffee Postal store. Kami bahala sa coffee and sa drinks. Ikaw na bahala sa food. Whatever food is in demand sa area mo. These are all lesser risks with high potential for your coffee business. Now, we only offer one mobile cafe per barangay if you are in a city, or one per municipality. If you're interested, send us a message or click the link here in the video or in the comments or wheresoever this video is. Send us a message. We also offer installment payments, and you can start your own mobile cafe for as low as 175,000 pesos only. Hurry while your barangay or your municipality is still available. Message us now to learn more.